green paradise? Is that what we are hoping for this earnings season? I don't know. Well, it kicked off last week with a couple banks, Wells Fargo, JP Morgan. They did okay. They sound cautious going forward. Goldman Sachs is this morning. That will be interesting. I can't wait to see that. Maybe there be a trade opportunities there. But let's take a look at transport. The last time I mentioned this sector, I said I was not at all bullish fundamentally and technically. Some of them look tradable. Well, not so. New low. Ugly chart. Let's take a look at 1 year is so ugly. Let's take a look at 3 years. Oh jeez. Look, you see this channel, and then the past year plus, the past 15 months since last October. Yeah, look like there's a new channel. Let's do this. Let's do this. Chart's looking pretty busy. Let's clean it up. Let's clean this up because we don't need. We know. We can see. We can see. We don't need to worry about that stuff up there, right? Yeah, that look better. I'm gonna keep that white line because that was pretty key. What if we duplicate this? Is there a new channel? Another weaker channel? That could be it. A channel within the channel. So this new one, I'm not gonna call it yet, but look, low. It's hard to say. I don't like that. I don't like that. Let's remove this. Let's duplicate this. Bring it down to here. Okay. That makes more sense as far as this. The start of the new channel. Hit channel high, channel high, channel high, channel high, channel high. Let's get back in the channel, and then things will be okay. Okay, so yeah, it's I'm liking this new potential here. So where would I play? Earning is a while away. Okay, we have until the end of April, early May, I believe. So it's not like we had to worry, at least for 2 weeks ish. So is there option to play? There is, but the question is there something 90 or below? There could be. Let's see, 90. Not much. There's just not enough juice. Okay, as far as like a tight spread, you have to do like a 90, even like a 90, 88, $2 spread. You might get 12 cents. Not great. All right, not. I wouldn't venture higher, but if you're a betting man and you want to do something higher, do a 92, 90. That's not bad. 92, 90 might get you 35 cents or better. That I might even I might do that. Okay. Oops. 92, but that's highly risky. Okay, because if the low is 90, yeah, that's risky. I would be patient to wait there. I would be patient to wait there. FDX. FDX had a crazy earning report. Okay, if there's one that I feel more inclined to trade or do kind of spread option play, would be FDX, because earning is already there. They already have earning. Okay, it came out at the end of March, and it had a crazy gap down, and then reversal. Why? What on earth were people going on here, right? It closed the gap, and then seller was coming in every day. All the trapped owner that want to get out for the past year, when they saw that gap fill, like, oh, please get me out, please. And then the bottom fell out with the rest of the market. What did I do here? Okay. What did I do here? Okay, this is basically, I think I drew this in a while ago, maybe last week, on a giant head and shoulder. Let's take a look at 3-year chart. Yeah, it was my shoulder, head, shoulder, and then the distance from the top to the neckline where it broke. Well, it's here. TA wise, I think it's at this point where it's tradable. It's a tradable bottom. All right, if you incline. TA wise, it's a good spot. Fundamental wise, crappy sector. Now, is there puts worth trading? So what is wrong with me today? What did I do? I don't want that. 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 What did I do with the option? Sometimes I do things that make no sense. Alright, thank God. Okay. How about 187? A $2 spread gets you 15 cents ish. 187, 185, 187.5. Yeah, but I think something high is okay. I would wager 190. 190, 187, getting 17 cents on that one. I'll take a look once the market open. If something is juicy enough, by juicy I mean at least 15 cents or better, I do a 190, 187 on FedEx. CSX, the rail. How's the rail? Is the rail off the rail? It is off the rail. It's ugly. They all look the same. Okay, it's this is not a sector for the healthy. If the economy is weak, guess what? It's gonna be weak, and it is near 3-year low. In fact, it is basically there, right? 3-year low. So it's also a tradable bottom, potentially. Is there an option in the mid-20s? Yeah. There's juice. If you want to do a 27, 26, that might get you 15 cents. That's doable. Yeah. Even something tighter. What if we do 26, 25? What did they get? 26, 25, get you a dime. If you want to be safe, there you go. Lunch money. Yeah, these days you need to carry around a $10 bill if you want to buy lunch. Oh, inflation. Yeah. But yeah, get yourself lunch money. Like I said, fundamental wise, I like all of them. Technical wise, well, technical, fundamental wise, I hate them all. Technical, I like them. The other rail, same. Yeah, I mean it's really, you know, if you want to trade Norfolk Southern, once again, is there an option at 200? There should be. the question is how much of a spread, right? You gotta wait for the market to open to see. Can't tell. Cannot tell. All right, cannot tell. But if it's juicy, I will play. You know, I play. 200, 197, I will play. Last one. JBHT, the trucking company. Oh yeah. They all look the same, right? The sector moved together. Bird, what that saying? Bird of the same flock together. What of same feather? Bird of the same feather flock together. I don't know. Too early in the morning for me for my brain to work. Yeah, same thing here, right? JBHT, 3-year chart. I'm sure it will look the same. Oof, 3-year low, nasty. About 5 years. Let's take a look at 10 years. This was pandemic low right here. Yeah, we are definitely 4-year low. Yeah, you gotta go back. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So forget 3-year low. We are at 4-year low, and this could be a good spot. See, there's a zone here. There is. You can, if you want to, you can even, you know, draw it in, and I will. Getting close. I wouldn't say it's there yet, right? So, given what we see, I would say 125 would be the highest spread I would do. Okay, 125, 120, that's a big $5 spread, but if I get 50 cents, I will play. I just gotta take a look at when earning is. If earning is this week, which I don't think it is, it could be. It could be. I gotta take a look later. When is earning? Did it say? I gotta look later. But if earning is this week, I won't do it. Okay, it's too risky because they can have some nasty earning and the stock will crash down to that level, and then you can put spread even lower. But for now, if earning is not this week, then yes, I would do 125, 120. But if earning is this week, no, definitely not. All right, people, good luck. Let's see how this week will pan out.